Hi everyone. This project focuses on MemoryLand, a digital solution designed to support people living with dementia and Alzheimer's disease. This condition affects memory, thinking behavior, and the ability to perform daily activities. As a result, patients may forget to take their medication, miss important tasks, or become confused, which can also increase the burden on caregiver. To address these challenges, we developed MemoryLand, an easy-to-use application that helps patients and caregiver manage daily activities while tracking changes in memory and behavior. Our goal is to improve patient safety, encourage better daily care, and make caregiving more efficient. Now, I will pass it to my teammate to explain the problem statement. Thank you.
Why we choose to create this app? This app is incredibly valuable for people who are living with dementia or Alzheimer. It helps their families and caregivers. This app is a type of tracking and support application. So there's a 4 advantages that people like to use this app. First, managing wandering and ensuring physical safety. Next, preserving independence and dignity. And reducing caregiver burden and anxiety. And last but not least, immediate emergency support.
Next, let's look at the problem statement and our service novelty. Right now, elderly patients often forget their medications, track memories poorly, and can easily get lost, which puts a lot of stress on their caregivers. To solve this, our service offers a unique elderly-friendly platform. It combines personalized memory reminders and a digital journal for patients, with a real-time tracking dashboard and emergency alerts for caregivers, creating a simple, complete ecosystem for the whole family.
And the sustainability of this app is the concept of sustainability in the MemoryLand app is deeply intertwined with the idea of memory. It refers to the capacity of systems, societies, and individuals to retain, utilize, and transmit knowledge, practice, and values that support long-term ecological, social, and economic well-being. Through this platform, it promotes the use of traditional, resource-efficient practice from previous generations, encouraging a return to a sustainable practice by emphasizing historical relevance and cultural continuity. This approach values past knowledge in current decision-making, helping to conserve generational knowledge that supports a more sustainable lifestyle.
Hi, my name is Nushaira. So for the target market for MemoryLand dementia and Alzheimer care include individuals with dementia and Alzheimer disease who require daily cognitive support and assistance in managing their routine. It also target family members and caregivers who are responsible for monitoring patient health and well-being. In addition, hospital and healthcare providers such as clinic and medical professionals are key users who can integrate the apps into patient care. Nursing home and elderly care center are also important targets as the apps can support daily monitoring and management of residents. Lastly, NGO and organization that focus on dementia awareness and elderly care are included as they can use the application to support their program and service. Next, marketing strategy. Marketing strategy for MemoryLand dementia and Alzheimer care focus on increased awareness and user adoption through several key approaches. The apps will be promoted with social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn by sharing educational content, awareness campaign, and product demonstration. Strategy partnership will also be established with hospital, clinic, pharmacy, and elderly care center to reach caregiver and healthcare professionals directly. In addition, the apps will be available on Google Play and Apple App Store with App Store optimization to improve visibility. To attract more user promotion strategies such as free premium trial, reward and discount will be offered. Finally, awareness campaign during World Alzheimer Month will be conducted to further educate the public and encourage adoption of the application. Hi, my name is Nushaira. So for the target market for MemoryLand dementia and Alzheimer care include individuals with dementia and Alzheimer disease who require daily cognitive support and assistance in managing their routine. It also targets family members and caregivers who are responsible for monitoring patient health and well-being. In addition, hospital and healthcare providers such as clinic and medical professionals are key users who can.
So now I will explain how our application work and guide you through the application step by step and explain how each features work. So the first one, the step one is the splash screen. When user open the application, the splash screen will appear and for a few seconds. Next, it will appear the login. So user enter their registered email address and password. After that, they can tap the sign in button to access the application. So next is the dashboard or uh, the home screen. So after user sign in, user will be directly to the home dashboard. So on this page, caregiver can quickly view the elderly current status, location, and battery level. From here too, a user can also access the main features including live location, safe zone, SOS emergency, and reminder. So for example, the user tap the button live location, so will appear uh, care it will appear live location that's allowed caregiver to monitor the elderly real-time location using GPS. The map update automatically, making it easier to track their movement and ensure their safety. The current address is also displayed for easier navigation. So next is safe zone features. So at the safe zone features that caregiver can create safe boundaries such as home, park, and garden, or a mosque or anything preferred location by setting a specific radius. When the elderly leave the designated safe zone, the application automatically send an alert notification to the caregiver. So a caregiver can view the alert detail and the elderly current location to respond quickly if necessary. So next is button SOS emergency. So at the SOS emergency features allow the elderly to send an emergency alert with a single tap. So when activate, the application immediately notify the selected caregiver and share the user current location. This enable caregiver to respond quickly and provide immediate assistance during emergency. And then um, the button reminder. So the reminder features help caregivers schedule medication and daily activity reminder for the elderly. So the caregiver can add or remove a reminder based on the elderly daily routine. So the application is sent time notification to help ensure important tasks and medication are not missed. So next is the button of healthy summary. So when we tap the healthy summary features, it will appears and provide us an overview of the elderly health information in one place. So the caregiver can review a record such as heart rate, blood pressure, and other healthy related information. So this feature help caregiver to monitor the elderly overall health and identify any unusual changes. So um, for the mood tracker, when we tap the button of mood tracker, it will allow us to the elderly to record their daily emotion using simple mood icon. Each mood entry is safe to help caregiver understand the elderly emotion well-being over time. So last but not least, the step and the explanation of this app is the caregiver dashboard. So when we tap the caregiver dashboard, it will provide us a centralized overview of the elderly daily activity and health status. So the caregiver can monitor active alert, medication schedule, complete tasks, and the latest mood update from a single screen. So this dashboard help caregivers to stay informed and respond promptly whenever assistance is needed. Thank you, and that is the explanation of our application. So I will pass to the next
In
presenter.
conclusion, an Alzheimer and dementia support app can help improve patients' daily life by providing memory assistance, safety features, and caregiver support. It offers a simple and effective way to promote independence, enhance communication, and improve overall quality of care.